it's not going to hurt me at all, don't worry.
If I had boy parts, I would not like this.
Your turn.
My turn, hey!
The cameras are tipping.
All right. Yeah, I think you should jump off backwards and take my picture from midair in the air.
I think I should take you with me.
Yeah, then you won't have a video. I don't like where this conversation is going. Get off my rock. All right.
Yeah.
Any last words?
I don't know.
Do you love your mom?
I do love my mom.
Okay,
love your mom.
All right,
I'm going backwards. I'm jumping
Oh,
backwards.
sweet. Here we go. Go backwards jump. And how about you? Do you love his mom?
I love his mom too.
Awesome. All right.
You got the most distance.
All right. Anything to say for yourself?
Bundy!
One of my favorite last words. Do you know that guy?
Yeah, I love him.
Oh, you love him? Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Cool.
Okay.
All right.
Lays out there.
All right, test the wind velocity. Always important. Okay. More jumpers. You're going to do the triple backflip with a half twist. Did I hear that right?
Sadly, I'm just gonna say I'm an idiot. Cause I am.
Does that mean you're just going for the double?
No, I'm just gonna go.
You're just going to land
Kill
in the river.
myself.
Oh, okay. It's good to have a plan. Here we go. Alright, he's still alive. His mission failed. How are you doing, dude?
I'm doing good.
Alright.
Yes, I am nervous.
Yes, I don't blame you. It's a long way up.
All right, see ya.
Okay, bye. Why are you doing this? Are we talking, you're talking existentially or looking from a practical standpoint?
Oh my God.
I don't know.
So I need to push off a little bit, huh?
Just a little bit.
Can I hold on to
You
you?
can't hold on to me there. Those sharp, jagged rocks down there, almost nobody ever hits them. You'll probably be all right. Okay, we got a few more up here. How we doing? All right, a little nervous?
Just a tad.
Just a tad. Looks like more than just a tad to me, but that's just me.
Get her done.
All right, listen to you, Mr. Get Her Done. I want to see a backflip out of you.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that.
No. Whoa! All right. Aerial 360 with the primal scream, and your final jumper, sir.
All right, one small step for man,
One giant leap for you.
mankind.
All right.
Here we go, ready?
Inching our way up to the edge.
Ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready? Okay, hold on a second. Okay, now I'm ready.
I'm ready. You ready?
Yeah. Alrighty, brethren, that's a wrap for our session here at Jump Rock. Our next rapid is right down there. And behold, my brethren, Double Z Rapid is our next force to be reckoned with. And it is the longest and most complicated rapid on the New River Gorge. It is not a straight line from top to bottom. And in it is a veritable plethora of hazards and obstacles and stuff you want to watch out for. And it looks like Zach is going to be the first boat in. They're going to show us the first part of the line here. You're going to drop in the middle and cut all the way over to the right-hand bank, avoiding that series of ledges, and more importantly, avoiding Otter Rock there, that little rock that you ought to not hit. And it looks like Joe is coming right behind. And after you pass Otter Rock, you work your way back out into the middle of the river. That's completing phase 1, but you're not done yet, friends. Here comes phase 2. You got to point your boat back to the right and kind of get a little bit of right-hand momentum up and over these diagonal waves, and the idea is to stay over there on that side of the river. And there's some stuff over here that you really don't want to mess with, including and especially this rock that I'm sitting on. It is called Table Rock. It's shallow and it's undercut. It makes for a painful swim, so it's a good place to stay in the boat. Center hole, yoinks! Managing to keep everybody in the boat, and then just barely squeaking their way out from around Table Rock. Woo, It's a very, very undercut rock called Butcher's Block Rock. They're going to squeak right past it there. Definitely a place you don't want to go, and they're going to paddle themselves right into those rocks over there and careen their way out the bottom. Alrighty, high adventure run for Alice. Sitting safety up in the eddy by Auto Rock, and now they're going to sweep up some very exciting and creative runs through Double Z Rapid. On downstream, the whitewater continues. Alrighty, friends, time for a little more surfing West Virginia style, this time at a drop called Harmon's Ledges.
Son las inmigrantes. Toda la gente.
Let's head on downstream one more time. And that, my friends, brings us down to Fayette Station. Our journey down the New River Gorge is almost at an end. This is our final taste of whitewater. Good solid class 4 number, run it right down the middle. Stay in the wave train and hit it big. Takes us home. We're paddling off to the takeout just downstream around the bend, bringing us directly underneath the New River Gorge Bridge. There it is, West Virginia's largest piece of rusted metal, spanning 3,030 feet across the canyon, maybe 876 feet up, and world famous for being pretty darn big. So hi everybody, it's me again, one more time, Ken Kruger, Ace Video Kayaker. Remember me? How's it going? Okay guys, a few words before we leave. Our time together is almost over, so I'll take this time to remind you, don't forget to thank your river guides. Unlike me, those guys are trained and hard-working professionals. They're working very hard for you to have this much fun. Finally, do what your mother always told you. Wear clean underwear, eat your vegetables, drink your milk, stay in school, don't set the dog on fire, do your homework. Stop picking at that, you'll just make it worse. And never ever fry bacon when you're naked. And paddle more whitewater!